Welcome to MyHalalGig, the ultimate halal documentation system that makes managing halal and Hajj file become simple and organized. Here's how you can add your certificate of your raw materials quickly and easily. Choose your supplier and click the supplier name on the list of supplier page. Navigate to the raw materials and click on the Add button. Once you are on the Add page, fill in the information for raw material, scientific name, source, and halal certificate. Once all the details are entered, click the Add button. Your raw material certificate has been successfully added. You can now see it listed in your raw material certificate details dashboard. Click on the View button to see the supporting document. If you need to update raw material, navigate to the pencil and notepad icon. Navigate to the Halal certificate to see the Halal certificate detail, number of raw material and certificate expiry date. And that's how simple it is to add a raw material certificate in MyHalalGig. Log in to MyHalalGig now and simplify your halal compliance and documentation journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our system.